was it Puki? Dusing? Puki? Kaduski? Kusuns? Something Uduski at the end.
The cookie, I
It
think
was
is what
a
it
cookie.
actually is. Because it's like a pie and a cookie.
Hi, I'm Yanai.
And I'm Travis. Yep, so we decided tonight we was going to go out and have our little anniversary dinner. It was definitely a bit of an adventure getting there, as well, we had made our reservations through OpenTable. And I don't know how many of you have ever used one of those reservation apps, okay? Let me just tell you now, the address they have listed with those is not always correct. And when you pull it up and you just click on it and you just trust it that it's the correct address and you're going to get to where you're going on time, it's not always right. You might want to do your own little Google search or whatever to just double check the address, because the address that came to us through the app, well, we were like 5 minutes late, and it definitely took us way out of the way.
At some point, we were like, baby,
At
that's
one
the restaurant. Like, where are you going?
Yeah, we're on the interstate, and we see us pass the restaurant. And I'm like, why is my app now looking like our end point is the middle of the interstate when we loop back around? So I had her pull up on her Google. I'm like, just pull the place up. Let's compare notes here. And of course, the directions were different. And definitely marked different. So just recommendation, double check.
Here we are getting off of a little date. We decided to go out today, celebrating our 2 years here in Houston. 2 years ago, we decided to pack our stuff and get our kids, get our RV and my truck, and move from Florida to here, Houston, Texas. We were talking tonight about our next step as a best friends, as a husband and wife, with our kids, as a family.
So anyway, we were having dinner at BJ's Brew House, and we were at the Shenandoah. It's in the Woodlands area of Houston, and it was actually a really pleasant night. It wasn't crowded at all. I don't even think it was like 50% of people,
No.
really. Really quick. We'd made our reservation ahead of time, but immediately as soon as we were in the door, we were at our seats, sat down, immediately greeted, got our drink orders in. Everything was decently quick, and server wasn't overbearing, but very punctual to when we needed him. He was right there. So it was a great little time. I had a nice little meal. You know, when you're discussing endeavors and upcoming adventures, it only goes well unless you have a good little cocktail with it. So I had a regular old American mule.
And I got a sangria.
Of course, she had a sangria. She loves her sangrias, but that's a whole nother story. And then I ended up getting the jambalaya.
And I got Alfredo pasta.
And then we, of course, finished it off with a nice little dessert. But
It was a Puki, Kaduski, Kusuns, something Uduski at the end.
the cookie, I
It
think
was
is what
a
it
cookie.
actually is. Because it's like a pie and a cookie.
The only thing we didn't like that much, it was the chips that we have for the appetizer.
Yeah, we did order the chips and guacamole for the appetizer, and you know, they were all right, but you know, it's something was off. Seemed a little stale, but
with the chips,
it
not
didn't
with the guacamole.
It didn't ruin the evening though. It wasn't a mood killer or anything like that. So it's okay.
The sangria was super nice. It was, well, one of the best sangria that I ever had so far.
So far.
So far.
But anyway, just doing a quick little tidbit on the way home. Because, well, we're on the way home now, and those.
Bottom line is, we have a great night.
Absolutely.
We talk. We took the time to talk about
lots of plans for you.
And
well, for us, but you get to enjoy them.
Exactly. And agree in some stuff that we need to like come to a meeting point as a partners. And
in other words, husbands, my arm got twisted on a few things. Okay, let's just be honest here. This is a marriage, and you know, there's just those few things that you love your wife and you let her twist your arm and you go ahead and agree to it. But it's a good idea anyway, so it's okay.
But we have we talked super nice today. And
wow, you make it sound like we talk bad to each other all the time.
Well, we
you all hear this, right?
No. At home, we don't have that. Like, if we are busy getting into the kids or his work or what I'm doing,
this is true.
Yeah, we don't have the time alone to like say, hey, let's talk about
Mom, Dad.
Yeah. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. Everybody have to go sleep, and by that time, I want to be in bed and Netflix on and
brain shut off.
Yes. So today we have a nice talk, just the two of us. Of course, we're gonna talk about this stuff with the kids tomorrow. But we just want you like.
We just want to say hi.
Say hi, introduce ourselves,
and what better way to say hi?
Break the ice.
Other than after food, nice full belly, some drinks, just discussing plans on where we want to go, what we want to do, how we plan on making it happen, and what are some things that we've got to get done.
Yeah.
And trust me, there is a lot in store. But we're not your average folks, so this will not be your average adventure. This is for sure. So, please do us a favor.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. That's first off. Stay tuned. Secondly, if you like the video, hit that like button. By all means, definitely hit the subscribe button. And please, please, share. Share, so that other people, we want to meet everybody we can. We'd love to help everybody out that is going to definitely learn from the mistakes we're going to make along the way. But hopefully they won't be that horrible mistakes, because we do like to research before we actually do the things. So, stay tuned and enjoy the ride with us. We're out.